We have to now recognize that we are under threat. The whole world wants us to believe that we are not the ancient Hindu civilization, that we are a new country. We are not a new country. We are a new republic, but we are not a new country. Our national identity is the same. We are culturally one people. We should be one people. There were attempts made to separate us culturally. Culturally, you can be one country. Our identity, like the American identity and the British identity, is this is a Hindu civilization. Unlike other civilizations, it's a continuing civilization. And many others have joined us. They have contributed to us. But when Ganga flows, so many rivers join on the way. But the Ganga is known as Ganga right up to the Bay of Bengal, and it doesn't go by any other name. So the same way, the Hindu character of this country